Hey everybody, just thought I'd give you a quick update on Bruce. I'm just doing my quarterly maintenance on it, and I just want to walk you through sort of the basic bits every time I do an oil change. So here's my ZDDP additive that I put in by Rizlone, really nice stuff. And shake out the air filter, use a quality filter on the engine oil, something like a wick, depending on price range. I avoid the Fram and the really cheapo MicroGuard and all that stuff. And then I figure while I'm around doing this kind of stuff, I may as well take a look at my differential fluid. And then I, crawl down here and see that it's quite ripe. That's pretty filthy. So then I figure, while I'm over here, I'll just continue with some of that regular scheduled quarterly maintenance. I want to check up all my fluids and make sure everything's fine. And so while I'll do that, I'll pull the drive shaft and grease up both ends of it, including all the Zerk fittings. And then every oil change, I will just select one of the three randomly and just decide to change those out. And while it's sitting up here on the vise, I'll let it, punch its way through and fall off and throw itself at the car so I can create a new dent there, a little love mark. I'd like to call it a story. Every time I look at that, I'm going to be reminded of how much I care about this car. From there, I'll just sort of button everything up and, there you go. Very easy to maintain old cars, don't you think? Remind me never to work on cars again. Oh. But really, just take it all in stride. We love them. Even if they smell awful sometimes. That gear oil is ripe. Not happy. Big where it don't happen.